Hello all, welcome back to our channel Nursery to Varsity. In this video tutorial, we are going to learn about Google Colab. So let's have a look at Google Colab. Welcome to Colaboratory. Colaboratory is a free Jupyter notebook environment that requires no setup and runs entirely in the cloud. Whether you are using a mobile phone, tablet or a laptop, you don't have to install any software to run your Python program. You can check 3-minute video to give an overview of Google Colab by Google. In this document, you can run your code line by line. Here is the RAM and disk usage. How much RAM that you are using on cloud. Here 0.76 GB out of 12.72 GB of RAM and 20.89 GB of 48.97 GB of your hard drive. Let's check other things. In this section you can add a line of code. Just type print print hello world. And let's run it. It's running. Hello world. So we can write a code and just run it. For running the cell, we can also use Ctrl plus Enter. Here are code samples that we can use directly, just like listing files in Google Drive, output handling, saving data to Google Sheets, visualization. Let's check visualization and insert this code directly and run it. This is our code after running. So for the data science we can use this Colab, and it has lot of features. Just like in file, we can create new Python 2 notebook or new Python 3 notebook. Here is our notebook. And in tools, in preferences, we can also set for the light theme like this. And there are a lot of keyboard shortcuts that we can check and also reset them according our needs. And you can also save or download the file as a Python file, and you can save it to your cloud. And also you can share the files to your colleagues. This is all about the Google Colab. Thanks for watching this video. You can follow us at Instagram, Twitter, LinkedIn, Facebook. And if you have any queries or doubt, you can mail us nur2var@gmail.com. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned, like, share and subscribe.